Boneyard Garage here. Got this old Husqvarna saw that a customer brought me, said wouldn't start anymore. So I checked it out. The fuel line was rotted off in the tank, so I put another fuel line in it, and I got it running, but it was starving for gas and not running right, wouldn't idle. So I took carburetor apart, right here, and I found some dirt, a couple clumps of grass or sawdust or something in there. So I cleaned that out, and this is the diaphragm. It doesn't look too bad, but it is kind of soft. So I dug through my stuff, and look, brand new carburetor kit. Brand new, old stock. Come from my dad's house. So yeah, that's cool. We're gonna clean this carburetor out, put the new kit in, throw it back together, and see if it will run. There's no model number on it. I guess it was on maybe the cover. Maybe someone could tell me by the tag if it will focus. Anyway, he told me it was a model 65. So, could be. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Unless I need to order some more parts for it. But carburetor kit seems like it's the right one. Here's a bunch of other diaphragm kits. Alright, I'm going to get this carburetor cleaned up, get it back together, and throw it back on the saw and see what it does. Okay, so I got the carburetor all back together, cleaned out. Put the new kit in it. Got a new base gasket. This is the old stuff. Stuck a rag in the intake, blew all the dirt, grime, and stuff out of there. So let's get it back on, see what it does. Got it together. Seems to run pretty good. I might have to adjust the needle valves a little bit once I run it. Let's see what's going to start. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Yeah, so it runs pretty good. Kind of surprised I had the carburetor kit for it. He just wanted me to get it running. He's going to sharpen the blade. Actually, chain needs to be adjusted. I might adjust it a little bit. You know, the teeth that grip in is loose. I'll tighten that, even though he didn't want me to, because that's a safety issue. It's a safety issue and it's an easy fix. I'll fix it. So yeah, it runs good. I'm gonna let it sit for, you know, a couple days. Well, first I'm gonna, over there, my neighbor got a big old log pile. I don't know if you can see it right there. So I'll run some, go cut a couple logs up for him, make sure it runs good after I adjust that chain. And we'll let it sit a day, and I'll try it again tomorrow and just make sure everything's good. And then we'll give the customer a call and tell him to come get it. So let's see if it will start up again. Okay, another fix. After that, I got this John Deere over here. I just picked up today for a customer. Wants me to service it, and I got a pretty good oil leak somewhere. I'm not sure yet where it's coming from. So we're going to get on that. Get a service done on that. So Boneyard Garage got plenty of work for middle of February. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like my videos, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit that little bell. I'll give you notifications when I'm putting new videos up. Trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. And if I do, we'll have a nice little giveaway of some sort. I'm not sure yet. But look at the bar oil dripping out of it. Oil works. Okay guys, that's it.